Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you will walk away, every day will rain. Ayan, mahal, I wanna say thank you to everyone. Okay, first of all, I wanna say thank you to JR, to Kisa, to Jenny, to Happiness with You, to Cindy, Bina, and Kay. And thank you so much sa lahat mahal na nag-drop and sa lahat ng nanood, nakichika, nakisaya, nakichismis, nakibardagulan, Uy! See you tomorrow sa aking birthday sa Lubong. 10 p.m. tomorrow. Meron daw pala tayo bukas pa Twitter party ng 9 p.m. Tama ba, Des? Anong oras ang Twitter party natin? So, magpapatrend tayo bukas. Ang oras ng Twitter party natin ay 9 p.m. Ano ang ilalagay natin sa Twitter party, mahal? Ano ang ating ano? Ano nga yung tawag doon? Hi, one to me. Announce ko pa tomorrow yung poster. Yon. Sige. So, 9 p.m. bukas yung Twitter party. 10 p.m. po bukas ang ating birthday sa Lubong. Yan. Love you. Tagline yung tagline. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. kasi birthday sa Lubong. Para ka namang hindi nag-kinder. Bye-bye. Love you. To 25 million yun bukas Bye.